Hi guys, welcome to my tech channel. So I am explaining recording modes, different recording modes in Loadrunner. 1 minute. Where is that? This is continue. Record button will be there. So in the Roadrunner, when we have seen that here there are two types of recording modes available. Stop recording. So here you can see that hello. Sorry. So we stop the recording now. So recording options I will go and I will explain that. Recording options. So in the recording options we can see two type of recordings will be available. This is HTML and URL. So in this there are sub options will be there. Script describing user actions. Generally basically when you record the script it contains some functions like web underscore link and web submit form. So basically in order to know few depth you should know how to we develop a web page and what is the HTML content, what is the href. So the things it is very easy. So here a script describing user actions, whatever script you are recording, that in the script you can see web underscore link. Suppose there is a link over there that is will be recorded web underscore link, and web submit form, you can submit a form basically for student application form or something, and a script containing accepted URLs only. That means web URL or web submit data. So web underscore URL. So whatever URL you give, that is recorded as web URL, and web submit data. Data you can submit, that it will give. And non-HTML recorded within the current. How you will record the non-HTML like applets, ActiveX, huh? VB script, JavaScript. This kind of things how you will record within the current step, or record separate step, or do not record. These are the options. And second is URL. URL means non-browser communications. When you want to work with Citrix kind of applications or apps, you will work with this Java based applications. So create concurrent groups after this resource HTML page and use web request custom only. So I will do a separate video for this web custom request. This is the request that we will build by own ourselves. That is web custom request. Some scenarios we will use that web custom request. For example, any drop downs will be there when you want to book a flight. There is a drop downs will be there, or you will go to the school and fill up the application. In that different process will be there, fifth, sixth. So this kind of things is generally changing. Then we will use the web custom request. Anyway, I will do a video on that. So two types of recording, HTML and URL. Based on your requirement you can select any either one of the option, not two. So that is, and apart from that, what other things is recording option script. Script means close AUT. So whatever the application that you are opening, that will be closed when the recording stops. And generate record event out. So maximum number of lines. So this is language is C. As I said that most of the times we are using the C language. And protocols web HTML protocol, code generation, And configuration rules means automatically you will mapping and filtering. This I will do a separate video. Sometimes the script is not recorded at what time, what you will do and why. At that time I will do. And code generation, these are the recording options. And what else that I need to talk, this you know that designer studio. Designer studio means it's automatic correlation. So it will identify the value, and when you click on this, these are the values. When you click and correlate, then it will be correlate. Or we can also write some rules and kept it here. That rules will be used for the next same request, whether it is occurred more than one time. So that is a designer studio. So most of the times we look at the manual correlation rather than automatic, because automatic correlation is always not working. Sometimes it works, sometimes it is going to fail. That's why we will prefer the manual correlation. That is designer studio. So these are the options. I already explained that recording options and designer studio. So remaining you know very well. So I will end up my video. Please subscribe. Thank you.